Hi, it's Friday, 24th of July. As always, we're watching the Euro stocks, and this is a quick video sped up 5 times the regular speed to show one of my favorite trades. So immediately, if you look at the right side of the screen, if you look at 3636, there's a level that has been packed with contracts. There were 4,000 contracts. Now 1,000 have been absorbed. Heavy their market orders to sell. But if you look at the left side of the screen where you have the chart, what you see is price doing lower and lower highs. So you have that level at 36.37 onto which price has bounced multiple times. And then you see the first pullback is 10 ticks, the second pullback is 5 ticks, and it stalls there at 42. And then lower and lower it goes. It's usually difficult to take these trades because you see this massive number of contracts there stacked on the bid, and you're afraid that there's not going to be as many offers to match it, and price is gonna bounce higher back up again. In this case, I entered a few times. I was playing what I thought was a range, then I saw was a narrowing a range towards the lower side. So I entered a couple of times long, a couple of times short. The last time I got in at 39, it was the last time that price was hitting on that level. I saw it going aggressively to that 36, and I thought, well, I'm going to try and hold it because this might be the last time that price bounces. If you look at it closely, what we've done is we've traded aggressively 3,000 contracts into that 36 level, which is a level of confidence where you have a big step in the profile between 36 and 37, where you have 13 and 5,000 contracts traded, and the daily VWAP. Also significant on the dome because it had that large number of bids stacked onto 36. So we traded 3,000 contracts, then we bounced back just a little bit. But you see that the level at 36 hasn't been replenished. So there were 4,000 contracts now, we traded 3,000. Yeah, sure, they've put another 1,000 contracts there, but it's not as significant, the replenishment. And the push up doesn't look like it's very aggressive either. You've had 500 contracts on one side and 300 on the other. And now, just out of curiosity, look at what happens in a rectangle. Cumulative delta climbs up and then it will go down very strangely. You see how regular that is? And if you look at the contracts, they go like a chronometer. So this was our friends, the robots, the high frequency trading, getting control of the situation. And now they sell at a couple of thousand contracts. So that we're back at 36, this time just with 300, 200. Look at the level, how it's breaking. We're waiting for the last push down, which is going to happen in just a few minutes. If you want to skip it, it's at the minute 350. Now, in the meantime, I got out of my short that I had originally initiated at 39. I got out at 37 for a couple of ticks. I wasn't still completely confident this thing was going to go down, especially seeing that it spent over 10 minutes doing that little dance at level 36 and I was pushing up. But everything is clear, so I entered again at 38. There's a weird moment of silence here at 38. And then it just breaks down. You can see that the move actually initiated from 38 and not from 36. It wasn't as much as a push trying to break the 36 level down to the last little bit and then to push it down. This time they just left it with a few hundred contracts, brought it up higher, and then smashed it back down lower. And here I could have held a little longer, especially seeing how many contracts are coming down on the sell side. But with moves as violent as this, I always anticipate price snapping back all the way back to the point where it broke out and then trade lower again, which is not how this scenario played out this time. But if you're listening to me, then you're a fool because I am a struggling trader and I'm still learning. So just don't take anything from me. Just look at this, look at the tape. just like I'm doing, and hopefully one day it will all make sense for you and me. Fingers crossed. All right, I'm gonna let this play out. Hopefully this is interesting. I don't know. This is the first time that I see that many contracts on Euro stocks piled so high on one particular level, especially having had that 2-3 hours in which price basically did not move. So I thought I'd make a video of it, especially since I was in a trade and the trade was successful. Yay me! So I'm stopping today with enough to cover 4 commissions and a little bit of popcorn and a Coke. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.